How it's made, Graphic Design Edition. Learn by copying. You can learn new techniques by trying to figure out how someone else did it! Exclamation mark before we start. Note, if it's heavily inspired from someone else, you cannot copy and sell your art or claim it as your own. Always credit the original, if you directly take inspiration. Let's continue. On my Pinterest board at Design Inspo Collect I have this cool gradient, transparent, glass style poster by Keem Marin Studio. We're going to try and somewhat recreate the style. I started on Illustrator making an approximate gradient. See my mesh gradient tutorial. To perfect it and find the right colors, blends and positioning, you'd want to spend more time. Play around. For this quick example, I'll be making quick decisions that are not the prettiest, but show the process. Gradient colors to blur to Photoshop. Add text. Add clipping masks, essentially painting over the text without painting on the background gradient. Keep editing, painting, switching up colors, placements, fonts until the most aesthetically pleasing look is achieved. There's no one right way. In the end, adding some noise or grain. Have fun.